Hi, welcome to Creative Tien channel. This is Tien. Today we are going to do another silk scarf painting. This time it's a long scarf. You can wrap around your neck twice, and you can also make an infinity scarf if you sew up both ends. We like to use INKTENSE blocks for our painting. I showed this in previous video before. It works like a watercolor, and you can also just draw directly on it with a little bit of water, and you don't need to heat set afterwards. It will stay permanent and you can wash it. I use a plastic box as a table, so it's easier to clean. If you can stretch your silk over a wooden frame, that will be even better. And my first step is always spray some water to make it wet so I can have those watercolor effect. And I'm going to use mostly pink and peach color for this scarf. And at the end, I will put some blue, light blue for the contrast. I think these two colors are pretty trendy right now, and it matches my wardrobe, so it's practical for me. So the process is very simple. I just add water to the ink block and mix some color directly on the scarf, or I can mix it in the palette. I'm speeding up the video 5 times so you don't have to sit through all the paintings. It takes me about maybe 20 minutes to paint the whole scarf. I don't worry too much about mistakes because as long as it's wet, you can paint over it or dilute it and mix with different colors. And once it's dry, you can always go back and add different color on top or make it darker or brighter. This is what it looks like after I just finished painting. It's very wet. I drape it in the back of 2 chairs, and it actually dries very quickly. In about 1 or 2 hours, it's almost completely dry. And I add some iron to take out any wrinkles, and that's a finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have art, craft, and design videos every Monday. Thank you for watching.